Hey everyone, this is Billy back on the channel, and today I have a new video for y'all, and in this one I'm going to be showing you guys how I replace my 1/8 scale tires. This has been a video I've been wanting to do for a while. I just never thought about doing it, I guess, until today. So we're going to be showing you guys how to replace specifically 1/8 scale tires. This could probably also apply to 10 scale as well. Just using different wheels, obviously. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this process. It takes honestly a long time. It's not a short kind of 2-second deal, except if it's mini Z. But anyway, so we have a set of J Concepts Triple Ds. These are pretty old. I bought these a while ago and I just never put them on. So we're going to do that today. So right here we have one removed tire, and as you can see, some rubber has been left behind. Now there is a way and not a way to get these tires off. For a long time I've been searching and just trying to figure out a way, like what is the best way to just remove the rubber, because I finally figured out a way on how to actually get this rubber stuff off. Just trying to get this stuff off has been a challenge. Use some wire clippers. Honestly, these are probably the best. This is probably the best tool to use whenever doing this for me personally, just because I feel like I can just like kind of trim it off, you know, because before the way that you're not supposed to do this is with a razor blade. I just got some stitches actually from doing this. I don't really think there's no blood left on the razor, but these things are extremely sharp, and after a while of just holding like the tire back like this, it can get tired, and when you get tired you get a little bit more lazy, and yeah, pretty much I cut myself and it was not good. So don't use razor blades whenever you're taking off RC wheels. Always use some wire clippers. It'll save you a lot of time and probably a lot of pain. But anyway, I'm just going to put you all on the tripod and we're going to clip these off, and then after I'm going to show you guys how to get this excess rubber off. Okay, so now that they're all off of the rim, take a Dremel, preferably like a bit kind of like this one. And pretty much what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to go like this, like over the surface. This probably isn't the best way to do it, and I can probably see a lot of people laughing at me in the comments right now about this. And you've probably already realized, maybe not, you could probably use a flat Dremel piece to just cut off the tires. If you've already done that with the wire cutters, yeah, it is a little bit more annoying than just using a Dremel, because it's just you hold it and you go around. But I don't know, just a suggestion. Maybe that works, maybe that doesn't work. I don't know, who knows. It's time to get into this now. Alright, so now that we all have them dremeled off, as you can see there's a lot of rubber still left on them. We're going to go ahead and fit on the new tires, and we're going to use some rubber bands to hold them on while we do it. I'll show you more of that whenever we do that. Alright, and there you have it. The triple Ds are now mounted up and they are on a car now. So this is obviously going to work better if you have new rims, because I used some used rims, so they didn't really go on entirely cleanly, but they still work nonetheless. So that's all that really matters. So I'll be using these next time I go to the track, obviously. And yeah, that's all I really got for you guys today. Have a good one.